This is the Hanalei Mini Travel Size Lip Treatments, and they measure about 5 milliliters each. They're also made in the USA, and you're gonna get 3 of them in clear, rose, as well as red too. And this is perfect to use all day long, or especially at night as well. And this is gonna provide extra repair for your dry, chapped lips. This is also made of grapeseed oil, kukui oil, and shea butter too. It's very hydrating. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. This is a close-up of the Hanalei in clear. So nice. Here's a close-up of the Hanalei in rose. So pretty. And this is what the red one looks like. Very nice. So this is what the clear looks like, and you just get a little amount and put it on your lips. Smells so good, and it feels so good too. I was sent this from Hanalei, and I absolutely love them. Really work great. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.